15 दिन में YouTube से पैसे कैसे कमाएं? क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि AEAP सिर्फ 15 दिनों में अपने YouTube चैनल से पैसे कमा सकते हैं? Sounds impossible, right? बट इस वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मूला जो आपको विद इन 15 डेज मोनेटाइजेशन के करीब ले जाएगी। तो चलो ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं वो स्ट्रेटजीज जो बिग यूट्यूबर्स यूज करते हैं, लेकिन बिगिनर फ्रेंडली तरीके से। सो इफ यू आर रेडी टू टर्न योर यूट्यूब ड्रीम्स इनटू रियलिटी, बकल अप एंड लेट्स डाइव राइट इन। ऑलराइट, डे 1 इज ऑल अबाउट लेइंग अ रॉक सॉलिड फाउंडेशन। आपको सबसे पहले फोकस करना है यूट्यूब चैनल ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पर। Think of it like building a house. You need that strong base. We're talking SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags. For example, अगर आपका channel tech category का है, to make sure you are using relevant keywords like best gadgets 2025, tech reviews, and keep an eye on those trending topics. Tools like Google Trends can be your best friend here. Create a catchy banner and get yourself a professional logo. Your channel's about section is also prime real estate. Optimize it using keywords like tech reviews, latest gadgets, etc. It's about creating that cohesive experience from the moment someone lands on your channel. Day 2 is where we get those creative juices flowing. तो आज का मेन फोकस है हाई क्वालिटी और एंगेजिंग कंटेंट बनाना। Your goal should be कि आप एक सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस प्लान करें जो नेक्स्ट 15 डेज तक डेली अपलोड हो सके। Remember, consistency is key. Think of it like a TV series. You need to keep your audience hooked and coming back for more. Now, within your videos, you need to master the art of the call to action. Don't be afraid to tell your viewers what you want them to do. Subscribe now to never miss out. Finally, let's talk visuals. आपके videos में visual storytelling होना चाहिए. Use B-rolls, graphics, and background music to make it more professional. Alright, day 3, we're stepping up our game and putting ourselves out there. It's time to promote your videos like crazy. Think of this as the marketing blitz for your awesome content. Social media is your best friend here. Instagram Reels, Facebook groups, or Twitter पे अपना content share करो. Don't forget to engage with your viewers. Reply to every comment on your videos. This shows you're listening, you care, and you're building a community around your content. Collaborate, cross-promote, and grow together. Day 4, we're tackling the big one, watch time. Monetization के लिए 4,000 hours watch time जरूरी है, and we're going to get you there. First things first, don't be afraid to create long videos. I'm talking 10 to 12 minutes, even longer if your content warrants it. The longer people watch, the better your watch time. But here's the catch, those minutes need to be captivating. आपके वीडियो की स्क्रिप्ट को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाओ. Use stories to hook the viewers. And here's a little trick. In the middle of your video, add suspense, create those cliffhangers. Finally, create playlists. This way, when one video ends, another one begins automatically, keeping those viewers glued to your channel. And here it is, day 5, the moment you've been waiting for. जब आपके पास 1000 subscribers और 4000 hours watch time complete हो जाए, head over to the YouTube studio and enable monetization. You've put in the work, you've built the audience, and now it's time to reap the rewards. Make sure you link your Google AdSense account. That's how those sweet earnings will flow. Now, it's time to scale up. Experiment with different monetization strategies, from sponsorships to merchandise, and find what works best for you and your audience. Keep creating that killer content. Keep engaging with your viewers, and watch your channel soar. तो दोस्तों, ये थे वो क्विक स्ट्रैटेजी ऑन हाउ टू मोनेटाइज योर यूट्यूब चैनल इन जस्ट 15 days. It's about taking action, staying consistent, and building that connection with your audience. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. See you in the next one.